Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is inside this bag. It's kind of thick. All right. We have, looks like they're kind of stucketed together. We have two stamped cross-stitch kits. They're both Yishu kits. And they come from the BiggestCraft store. And if they have any specials, usually they're having Black Friday sales. I'm not sure how long they last. But I will put those in here. And if they have any coupon codes or if I have any discount codes, it'll all go in here. So be sure to check those out. And we're going to start with the top one. Let me get this up and out of my freeway. Let me get this out of the bag. Give me a sec. All right, I am back. Now this one is a 45 by 65. It was $13.99. And since it's a Yishu brand, it does have the instructions on how to start, how to finish, down here at the bottom, all on the same piece of paper. We have 45 colors, but is she not gorgeous? Look at all those pinks. I just liked the symmetry of it all, and I hope that all these pinks will show, peaches will show up. Now, it does look like it's going to have a little bit of confetti up here at this top corner and around the top because that's trees and branches, but it does even out, and then you have a solid color around the body part of it, but it's not too bad, not at all. Let's see what colors we have. We have 154 mulberry, we have 310 black, anything else I know? We have 823, no 939. We do have 3371, which is a dark brown. And nothing else I know. They have 3865 for the white, which is that yellow background, or symbol, I should say. So that looks like the biggest area, and then the other areas are a little bit bigger, but you see just a smattering of confetti here and there, but not too horribly bad. So yeah, I think it will be beautiful with 45 colors. Wow, that's a lot of colors, because it looks not monochromatic, but it just looks simple. Like there's pink, I see black maybe, and maybe grays. So I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what colors we have here. And we do have a toolkit. It comes with one of the needle holders. See if I can get this open. Maybe, baby. All right, and you just flip it up and the needles come right out. So there are 5 needles in there, but I'm glad they're doing this now. It's very nice. I like that. You also have a needle threader and a thimble. No poof ball, but yeah. So very nice. Now I want to match the colors to the canvas. So canvas number is 9436, 9436, and 9436. So everything should match very nicely. Let me put that up there. And let's take a look at these colors, if I can figure out which direction it opens. Be right back. All right, I am back. So you kind of have some rose colored, kind of a pinkish purple here, pinks, kind of a burgundy color. You also have grays. You have like a taupe color. There's your, I think that's 823. Might not be, but looks like it. there is your, I think, yeah. This color right here is your 3371, and of course your 310 black. Doesn't have any spare skeins or anything, but just gorgeous, gorgeous shades of pink, rose, kind of on to the orangish side. There's your 3865 for that background, pale pinks. Just gorgeous, gorgeous threads. Ugh. Let me put this back in its bag. There will be crinkling. Until I get it like nailed down with one of my shower hooks. I like to keep them in the bag, and that way I know it goes with that kit as well. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas has the product number up here. And at the bottom, it says it is 147 by 277 high. And it is 39 centimeters by 69 centimeters. So it is serged all the way around. Very nice printing. Looks like everything is on point. It's kind of nice and skinny and easy to hang on to. I like that part. And the, what do you call it? The serging does not go into the numbers. It's a very fine thread that does that. So that, you know, because you're going to be looking for this on the thread drop, the actual DMC number. But very nice, easy to see symbols. And I'll show you the printing on the canvas. Look at her face. Look how many different colors are in her face. Yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. Just stunning, stunning, stunning. She does a really good job. Really, really good job. Let's measure. We have 68 centimeters or 26 3/4 inches by, it looks like close to 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 13.25 inches or 33.5 centimeters by 62.5 centimeters or a little over 24.5 inches. So it's a nice size. It's big, but it is 11 count, so go a little faster than 14 count, but yeah. But very nice job, and I don't even mind the fact that there's this big yellow area, which is going to be, what did I tell you? Oh my gosh, 3865? Yeah, 3865 all the way around the back to kind of make her just pop up there, because her hair is going to be dark, and then her face has got a little shade to it, and then her back, you know, it'll all pop right out. So yeah, it's quite different. I'm seeing a lot of, well, we are not folding that right. Holy cow, Lord Jean. So, yeah, I'm seeing a lot of things either in tones of blue, tones of pink, and then there was the gray tone. So, yeah, check it out. And the kits are not that expensive for $14. No. Let me get the next one. The next one is, like I said, is also a Yishu. And it is 50 by 50, $11.99. Let me see, and I will get it out, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. I hope that it comes out better in the camera than it is in person. It's a little, I don't want to say smeared, just out of focus, But I thought this was beautiful with all the purples and blues and reds and oranges and yellows and just everything about all this. It's got lots of different elements. That's what keeps me interested. Now, it's another Yishu, so it does have instructions on how to start, how to finish, all on one page. And this one's going to be square. It has 42 colors. It's 190 by 190, picture size is, it says 49 by 49 centimeters. So, yeah. And it may be a little confettied, but this pattern is printed very well. Both of these patterns will match, the paper pattern matches the canvas on both. Before I forget to say that, see what we have. We have 154 again, which is mulberry. Not seeing any 310 black. We have 498, which is a brick red. We have 550 purple and 606 red. We have 823 and 939 for dark colors. We have 996, which is that turquoise color I love. And we have 3770, which is that butter color. And so I don't know if that's what they're going to use for a white, but we'll see that here in a second. So no 3865, but very nicely printed pattern. Just such a beautiful job. Very easy to see all the symbols, and it's 11 count, so a lot easier on the eyes. But yeah, it doesn't scream any season in particular, except for maybe it's not winter. You know what I'm saying? It's more of a cartoony type rendition. But I just loved all the colors in it, so here we are. Just stunning. Now it does come with a toolkit. It does have the same little tube with your 5 needles, a needle threader, and a thimble. I never use that thimble. I just can't get it to work for me. So maybe I'm using it wrong. I got nothing. But, you know, if you have a small canvas, you can take that, open it up, and roll your canvas up, and use these as clips to kind of hold your material while you're holding it in your hand. Or if you have it in a hoop for any reason, then it'll just keep it out of your way. So that's the only thing that I've ever used those for. But I'm glad they do send you needles and a needle threader, because these two things are invaluable. I'm not saying that the needles are super and awesome. They're not. I don't know that. You know, sometimes I get a few that might be a little rusted or something. I just throw them away and go on, because you get 5 needles, you're fine. Now I do want to match the numbers again. So this product number, ooh, look at all those colors already. Okay, pattern number is 9580. 9580. And on the paper pattern, 9580. But look at the blues. Oh my goodness. Moving on, I'm drooling again. Let's take a look at these gorgeousness. Hold please. All right, I am back. But can you ever? We have reds. We have several shades of greens, turquoises, darker turquoise, purple, kind of a rose, medium rose, browns. Look at that seafoam green. Oh my goodness. And over here we have purples. We have several shades of blue. Is that not just make you, and look at the reds. Just awesome. Just, there's delicious colors just everywhere. Just everywhere you look. It's like, what color do you pick to start, you know? Some days it's a struggle, and the struggle is real. But gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't hardly wait. Yep. You know what we're doing today at 1. Yep, the color gets me every time. Get everybody in there. Crinkling. And put it up there. I like those bags that keeps it all in there nice and tight. It doesn't pop open. It's got kind of an adhesive seal to keep it shut until I can get where I need to be. Let's take a look at this canvas. Oh my goodness. This is like, it's just like a candy store. It's like, oh my God, where do you start first? And all the parts are small on this. Do you notice that? The moon over here is the biggest thing here that you have to stitch. The rest of it's all smalls. And, you know, you're going to have your confetti here, there. It's kind of just evenly distributed all over the canvas. I think it'll be a beautiful, colorful canvas when it's done. Lovely stitching. It's serged all the way around, and the stitching does not come into the numbers, so you don't have a problem. Paper pattern will match the canvas, so you can look it up on the paper pattern, but very well printed. Let me look. Sometimes I have to get really close, but very nicely done. Good job, Yishu. They are becoming one of my favorite stores these days. The quality is just top-notch. Well printing, it's not pale, easy to see symbols, nice big key. So if I'm looking for orange, then I can go wherever the orange is, or I can see that V, you know. It's all very clearly printed. Love it. Just absolutely. Let's measure. We have 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches by approximately, if I can get there. Holy cow, it's just being up and down. Okay, 48.5 centimeters or 19.25 inches that way. The actual picture size is almost 43.5 centimeters or 17.25 inches that way. So it's fairly square, except for this one side. So it's a little wider than it is long. So it's I would say 2/8 of an inch from being 17 inches or 43 centimeters. So nice size. You can work on it, work on a color, work on one corner, but it's got everything. I love this. I just absolutely love this. And they also have one that is done with snow on it. So do check that out. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for these gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Yeah, it's always a struggle. You know, I do the review and then I'm like, oh God, what do I want to start? Yeah, but today, no, we're going with the, I don't know what they called it. Coastal Town. So, yeah, at 1, so join me at 1, Mountain Standard Time, USA. We will be doing a Stitch With Me and start that one. Now, BiggestCraft does not have diamond painting. They only have cross stitch and embroidery. I'm pretty sure they have beaded embroidery as well. But they have lots of tools, crafts, and kits for anybody and everybody on all levels. Not just massive things that I get all the time to, you know, doable size. You know, they have Joy Sunday, they have Spring, they have Yishu, they have Mona Lisa. So do check them out. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.